Hi everybody, Easological here today, and I've got a demo of the working prototype of the finished system, I guess. The Arduino it's being powered from my computer still because the noisy rails, and there's no Bluetooth because same problem, very noisy, but it would work interchangeably. You could see in the power demo that it would work just fine, but I'm just waiting for parts to come in, or linear regulators to come in so I can take care of that noise. So basically, there's the input signal from my laptop, which is playing music right now, but it's muted, to the amp. From the power supply over there, instead of a battery, I'm just going with a power supply because the power system demo kind of took care of like showing that all the power would work. This is just a regular, I think it was for a incandescent lamp system, but it's regular 12 volts going to the amp, and then amps driving the two speakers, and the input for the gain you can see has been removed. So if you check the blog post in the description, there'll be a link to the teardown of this amp, and it was actually pretty interesting. So it had actually, I'm gonna get it. So basically, the potentiometer right here, put down, has two wipers. It's a 50 kilo ohm potentiometer and has two wipers on it, which is pretty interesting. And I like determined, because I was messing with it, that there's one wiper per channel for left channel and right channel for stereo sound, which I thought was really interesting because it's not doing that since it's on the same thing. If you had two pots for each channel, it makes sense, but since you're only using one, it didn't really make sense to me. The board layout was the exact same. You can see it in the description, but it's pretty interesting. So back to this. So I'll just give you a demo. So I'll unmute the input, and you can see it's playing through these two speakers. It's not going to be very loud at all because there's nothing for the sound to resonate in. Like over there was my last prototype, and it has like a big resonance chamber, so it sounds really good. But it's the same exact speakers, and I'm probably going to use a very similar housing. So this is me changing the volume. So go to, I'll just make sure this is in focus. Go to check position. Oh. And I can change the volume. That's directly off of the amp. There's no software here. That's all hardware. Set it. So now it's set at a louder volume. You can go turn it off. So that's that. Thank you for watching. Keep posted for or keep on the lookout for more stuff about this coming from me. I'm definitely gonna be working on this a lot more. Working on getting this into an actual PCB. Maybe I haven't thought how I'm gonna do it. It's a pretty complicated circuit. Definitely not gonna have a breadboard inside the final project, but I don't really know how I'm gonna go about making that more permanent. But yeah, thanks for watching.